Hey geeks, so today I'm going to be showing you my quote unquote lazy video editing system or technique. And this is something that you're probably going to do yourself. And in this case, I'm showing this in a video editor called Kdenlive, but I also use a similar process for other video editors like Davinci Resolve or Shotcut. And so the entire idea with this is to minimize the amount of time that you actually have to get things set up so then you could get straight into video editing. And I do that by creating like templates. So what are like templates? Well, in general, it has the project settings that you need. So for example, this one is a 1080p, 24 frames per second. So this is what I have. And then most importantly, I also have all the items that I need for practically all my projects. So all my marketing videos, my subscribe button animation, and any sound or music that I need, and also end cards, end videos, stuff like that that I typically use in practically every single video that I produce. And in this case, I don't have to look around for this because everything I need is in this particular project template. And once I have this in place and I create a brand new project, I simply open it up using this template, and then I'll get my files that I need for that particular project, and then I start video editing. And in this case, I have all the project settings there. I have all the other materials that I need with my standard video editing. And then once I get everything done, I could really focus on the edit itself. So that's just some quick tips on a lazy way that you can actually video edit. And the main thing comes down to creating templates that make things a lot easier for you to focus on editing your videos. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you do this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode.
Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.